Go take a nap, Misty.
Huh? Yeah.
I think you left too much candy here, though. That stuff.
Isn't that supposed to bark?
Yeah, I turned the battery off. What is that perfume she's got on is good.
As
I
a
can still
feature,
smell it. It
a
smells
recent
like honeysuckle.
robbery,
Huh?
a burglary, burglary.
Tiffany, what's the name of that perfume you got on?
Demeter?
It smells kind of like honeysuckle.
Huh?
Honey, it smells like honeysuckle.
No, I got, it's, what's the pepper?